Hello friends. In this tutorial I will show to you how to turn off recent items and newly added apps that show up on Windows 11 Start. Open Start, select Settings. Select Personalization in left pane. Click on Start and Personalization items. Turned off Show Recently Added Apps, Show Most Used Apps, and Show Recently Opened Items in Start, Jump List and File Explorer. Thanks for watching my videos. Subscribe me if you like this channel and please share if you like the video.